So this feature I'm going to be showing is my favorite part of the board. As you can see down the center of the board, there's a few packages, so the footprints for packages that you can solder onto. They're connected through wires into the rows. And this feature is extremely good as it allows you to use real components that you will want to have in your project and be able to get it at the package sizes you need. So the packages that this does accompany are the SOT23, the 3-pin, 5-pin, and 6-pin. And now then that has the SOIC8, the narrow and wide, and it also has the TSSOP. So the next feature I want to show is that unlike many other solderable breadboards that you see, once we flip this board on its back, you can see that we can use this side as well. So now we have a 2-layer board. On top of that, as you can see these little pads right there, they are meant to be used with 06, 03, or 08, 05 SMDs. This is extremely useful as many projects require much smaller sizes to be feasible. So I found myself using this a lot, and later on I'll show an example of a small circuit I made to just show that off. But this is a very useful addition. So this is the last feature I want to show. It's a small addition, but again useful. As you can see here, there are 3 mounting holes which are used for the end of the project mainly. So once you have a prototype, you put it all together and you can mount this board onto your project. So once again, it's very useful. This is the example circuit I've set up to show the use of the board itself. So in the center there, we can see that I used a SOT3 6-pin package, and beside that there's a small LED, green LED, also set up on the board, soldered in. Other than that, we have it set up to a 5-volt power supply. So over here, once I turn it on using the potentiometer, we'll just see the LED turn on and off. Okay, so I'm going to just turn on the power supply here. And now as I turn this, we'll just see that, just to show that the circuit does work. And there we go. So everything's soldered in, just to show. As you can see, I have soldered the power, and the rest of the pins within, you can see them soldered in.